In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to layer images in Canva. So the first thing that you want to do is log into your Canva account, and you will either land on your home dashboard or your templates dashboard. Now from here, wherever you are, navigate over to the left-hand column of menu options and click on projects. When you do this, you will be able to view all of the projects that you're currently working on. Next, click on the specific project with the images that you would like to layer. And when you do this, Canva will open it in a new window in Canva's design editor. Now, you should have your 2 images or 3 or 4, how many ever images you have. And now to layer the image, let's say that we want this splat to be behind the coffee cup. Simply just first position your images how you would like them to be layered. So we want to have this above the splat. So once your positioning is correct, right click on any of the images and click on layer. Once you've clicked on layer, click on show layers, and when you do that, you'll be able to edit the layers inside of the position window that appears. So make sure that you're on the layers tab and you have all selected. Now, the image that sits first is the image that's going to be the top layer. So if we want the splat, which is in the background, to actually be on top, all we're going to do is simply click and reposition the splat. So now the splat sits above the coffee mug. So to change that again, we can put the coffee mug first. And if we were to add some more images or elements, let's say we're going to add a basketball. Let's say we're going to add this basketball. These are too big. Let me just quickly resize these. So let's say that we were to add this basketball onto the page, as well as this apple. If we do the same thing, again here, and we right click on any of the images and we go back to layer and we select show layers, now the newly added images or elements will appear in this layers positioning window. So now we can click to drag these around to change the layering. So now the apple sits above everything, and whatever sits on top is what will be layered above the rest. And you can change the order of the layering here. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if there's anything that you didn't understand, or if you had any issues during the process or any questions at all, please feel free to drop them in the comments section below, and I will respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.